To rename the columns, we will use rename method. The syntax is dataframe.rename, and then under columns we'll provide the old and the new name. So let's take an example. Say in our data frame we want to rename roll number to PIN pen, Kate space score to cat underscore score, state of birth to state, date of birth to DUB, and likewise. So what we are doing is we are simply saying that for this student data frame we want to rename it, and this is the new set of columns. Okay, so let's do this. I'll just comment out other things to avoid any confusion, and after renaming let's print it also. So as you will see, all the column names have been changed, right? Similarly, if you want, in past we have created a score data frame, so you can run the same. You can assign whichever labels you want to scores data frame. So I'll just put shift enter, and then you will see the column names for scores have also been changed to PIN name SAM1 and SAM2. So this is very easy, right? Next, have a look at the last section of this module, which is data cleaning.